Imagine your cat lounging in the sun one moment as an orange tabby, then transforming into a sleek black feline the next. What if cats could change their colors at will, just like chameleons or octopuses? How would this ability reshape their lives, their interactions, and their bond with humans? Today, we'll explore the fascinating possibilities of a world where cats have the power to change their colors. The first question to consider is how cats might use this incredible ability. Cats are already masters of stealth, and the ability to change colors would enhance their natural hunting skills. A cat hunting in a garden could turn green to blend in with the grass and shrubs. Indoor cats might camouflage themselves against furniture, disappearing into the shadows or blending with the walls. This ability would make them even more effective predators, capable of surprising their prey with ease. Color-changing cats would also use this skill to communicate with each other and with humans. Cats already use body language and vocalizations to express emotions, but colors could add a new layer of complexity. A cat turning red might signal anger or frustration, while a shift to blue could indicate calmness or contentment. Bright yellow might express excitement or curiosity, while a deep purple could symbolize affection. This colorful language would give humans new insights into their cat's feelings and needs. The ability to change colors could also play a role in feline social dynamics. Cats might use specific colors to assert dominance or show submission when interacting with other cats. In multi-cat households, this could reduce conflicts by making their intentions clearer. For stray or feral cats, color changes might help establish territories or attract mates more effectively. These visual signals would make cat society even more fascinating and complex. Humans would undoubtedly be captivated by the visual spectacle of color-changing cats. Imagine the joy of watching your cat transform into a rainbow of colors as they play or explore. Cat lovers would likely create entire online communities dedicated to showcasing their pets' color transformations. Pet photography and videos would reach new heights, as every moment could reveal a surprising new hue. This ability would make cats even more beloved and celebrated as companions. Cats could also use their color-changing ability for practical purposes, like self-defense. A cat feeling threatened might adopt bright, intimidating colors to ward off predators. This mimicry could resemble the warning signals used by venomous animals like snakes or frogs. In urban environments, cats might turn invisible by matching the color of the pavement or surroundings. This ability would increase their safety, allowing them to avoid dangers like predators or vehicles. For cats living in the wild, color changes could enhance their survival strategies. A wild cat might shift to earthy tones to blend into the forest during the day. At night, they could turn dark or reflective, helping them navigate while staying hidden from larger predators. Seasonal changes might also influence their colors, allowing them to adapt to snow, foliage, or barren landscapes. This flexibility would make them highly adaptable to diverse environments and climates. However, this ability might create new challenges for humans sharing their lives with cats. Imagine searching for your cat in your home, only to realize they've camouflaged themselves perfectly. Finding a color-changing cat outdoors would be even more difficult, as they could blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Cat owners might need to rely on bells or trackers to locate their pets, as visual identification would become unreliable. This added challenge would make keeping cats safe a more complex task. The fashion and pet industries would likely capitalize on the trend of color-changing cats. Cat accessories such as collars or harnesses might be designed to complement or contrast with their shifting colors. Owners might compete to create the most stunning visual combinations, combining natural hues with stylish accessories. Specialized toys and furniture might be developed to highlight or enhance a cat's color transformations. This ability would redefine how people interact with and celebrate their feline companions. Scientists would undoubtedly be intrigued by the biology behind this color-changing ability. They might study how cats control their colors and whether the mechanism resembles that of chameleons or cuttlefish. Research could reveal how cats use specialized cells, like chromatophores or iridophores, to manipulate light and pigments. Understanding this process might inspire new technologies, such as color-changing fabrics or materials. Cats could inadvertently contribute to breakthroughs in science and engineering through their unique abilities. Color-changing cats might also spark debates about ethics and breeding practices. Would humans attempt to enhance or manipulate this ability through genetic engineering? Selective breeding might aim to produce cats with specific color patterns or more dramatic transformations. These practices could raise questions about how far we should go in altering animals for human preferences. Balancing respect for nature with human curiosity would become an important consideration. The ability to change colors could also influence how cats are perceived in mythology and culture. Throughout history, cats have been associated with mystery and magic, and this ability would reinforce those ideas. Color-changing cats might be seen as symbols of transformation, adaptability, or even supernatural power. Artists, writers, and filmmakers would likely draw inspiration from these fascinating creatures. Cats' cultural significance would reach new heights, cementing their place as iconic animals in human history. But how would this ability affect cats' personalities and behaviors? Cats are naturally curious and independent, and having such a versatile skill might amplify these traits. They could use their colors to manipulate humans, drawing attention or avoiding interactions as they choose. A cat might turn bright and cheerful to request food, then fade to gray to signal they want to be left alone. This ability would give cats even greater control over their environment and relationships. The natural world might also adapt to the presence of color-changing cats. Other animals might learn to recognize and respond to their shifting hues, creating new predator-prey dynamics. Birds, rodents, and other prey might evolve counter-strategies to avoid detection or mimic the cat's abilities. Over time, ecosystems could change as animals adapted to the presence of these versatile hunters. This ripple effect would demonstrate the interconnectedness of life and the power of adaptation. What if cats could change their colors? It would be a world of wonder where our feline friends became even more mysterious and enchanting. Their ability to transform would redefine how we see and interact with them, deepening our appreciation for their complexity. Thank you for joining us on this imaginative journey into a world of color-changing cats. Until next time, celebrate the quirks and capabilities of your furry companions who are already extraordinary just as they are.